Hey guys, Ms. Simpson here, and I just wanted to record a quick video for you guys to help you with page 601 and 602. So during this section, we're talking about weight. So how much an object weighs, customary weight. So this is something you might be a little more familiar with. I'm going to scroll down. I'm on page 598. So this is the chart that you need to look at this time. Units of weight. So 1 pound equals 16 ounces. 1 pound is 16 ounces. 1 ton is 2,000 pounds. So when you think of a ton, you need to think of a school bus. Okay, a school bus is 2,000 pounds, roughly 2,000 pounds. When you think of 1 pound, it's super, super small. Ounces are even tinier. Ounces is the smallest unit of measure. 1 pound is next, and then a ton is what you would move on up to. So this is the only chart. This is a shorter chart to memorize for us, which is good, but it is important to memorize those conversions. So we're going to scroll down, and let's look at number 2. I'm looking at the bottom of 598. Okay, just like the last videos, we have the same thing going on. Big to small, multiply, small to big, I divide, okay? Big to small, multiply, small to big, divide. On number 2, they're converting pounds. This LB stands for pounds, okay? I know that's kind of confusing, but the LB stands for pounds. The OZ stands for ounces. So pounds to ounces. That means I'm going from big to small. Big to small. So when I go from big to small, I'm multiplying. So I'm multiplying 15 times something. Well, the something is coming from the chart. You need to see how many pounds or how many ounces are in a pound. There's 16 ounces in 1 pound. 16 ounces in 1 pound. So I need to know how many is in 15. So I'm doing 16 times 15. I should have wrote that a little bit away from everything. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 3 is 8. When you drop down a line, when you move over a digit, you put your 0. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 1 is 1. You're adding those up. You get 240. 240. Okay, let's do another example. If you look at number 3, you're going from tons to pounds. So that means you're going from big to small again. Okay, big to small. So we are again multiplying 3 times something. How many pounds are in a ton? There are 2,000 pounds in 1 ton, so that is 6,000. You're probably wondering, well, how did you figure that out so quick? If you multiply 2 times 3, you get the 6, and then you keep the zeros. 2 times 3 is 6, and keep the zeros. Is a trick for that. Okay, let's move on down a little bit. We're just doing the same exact process we've been doing. We just have different units of measure. So let's look at ounces and 8 pounds, number 11. So you have ounces, pounds. Which one's bigger? The pounds is bigger. So I personally like to choose that. How many ounces are in 1 pound? There are 16 ounces in 1 pound. And you're multiplying because you're going from, we're going to change the bigger unit to smaller units, right? We're changing ounces to pounds. So I need to do 8 from here. I got the 8 from right here times the 16. That's the conversion. So 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 1 is 8 plus 4 is 12. So I have I'm going to erase that, and I got 128 ounces compared to 130 ounces. 130 is bigger. The Pac-Man eats the 130 since it's bigger. Or another way you can do it is the bigger one gets the 2 dots. The smaller unit gets 1 dot, and then you connect the dots. Okay, there's different ways to think about it. I'm going to leave you with that. Please use this video. You can pause it, you can rewind it, you can drag out your math book while you're watching the video. Use this video to help you guys, okay?